Yeah, my peeps, I don't know, we're there today again. Me I big up Daily Run Road channel. Yeah. Follow go subscribe to the channel, comments, like, share. Yeah, Adrian, boss. I'm Jamaica. Yeah. So you don't know my channel is all about Adrian Street King TV. So peeps, want to go over there and subscribe to Daily Run Road channel. Here, I'm out.
Wagwan. Peeps, I don't know. Daily Run Road back in town. You know when we want to talk about all these years, both man and woman I get blamed for bun, but mostly the man them a blame the woman them. Is that me I say? Yeah, you don't wanna pick no side, so we want to talk about now. Every time Easter come around, you hear somebody a little birdie grin and say, yo, you get bun, you know, ropes. Is that me I say? I mean, I say, you know, have a concrete evidence, but when I take ears from people, when I do this and I do that, when I blame the people, them, when I accuse them of, when I get burned, when I cuss, when I go on the most way, but still yet, when I can't prove it, so when I get the bun, you know what I say? But you don't have a little friend, when I rate in a friend, and I go believe in a friend over on a woman, but remember by the end of the day, your friend can't give you pussy. Sorry, my language. Or your friend can't give you little ropings, doesn't it? Yeah. Put it that way, your friend can't give you little ropings. Boom now. And I go call the girl or the man and say, yo, where you there? Where you doing? You down there so I see you. You don't see man in there, but you just hear. Or you don't see the female, but you just hear. Boom now. This corona thing come in. Bro got locked down your country. You not cussing, you not ball. Remember I know you not ball for bun, you know. And now bro got locked down in the country, try to save on the life. I don't know, still a ball say country locked down and it's a fool and it's a this and it's a that. What really want to tell me? Tell me in the comment section down below.
So you don't crowd the boy.
Comment and tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. Because when I ball for bun from day one, bro got try to solve the problem and say, alright. I show you say, yo, rumors are spread when I get no bun. Boom, me lock down your country. I don't know I could see you. Yo, Jamaican, not hard to please star. I tell you. But when I just like and share, no a Daily Run Road. I tell me one thing, doesn't mean? When I put in no 2 cents and say if I'm wrong or I'm right. When I think when I forget buns here or the country for lockdown, which one I prefer? The bun or the country lockdown? You save in life. When I tell me what I'm going on, man, cause yeah, I really don't know what is what. So when let me know what I'm going. Yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Daily Run Road. I'm out.